Now the shares of Shoprite finished the day on Friday trading at 306 rands per share, which is something that is pretty exciting because Shoprite on Friday we saw them hitting yet another all-time high. This is something that is pretty exciting, and it doesn't come as a surprise because this is a company that is doing really well. I mean, from their earnings or from their revenues, profitability, they are just doing so well. Revenues have been increasing quite sharply year over year, which is why the market is rewarding this company. I mean, I have no doubt that we are going to, the kind of growth that we are seeing onto Shoprite, we are going to see them sustaining it because Shoprite does some of the things which some of the retail companies or some of these retailers are scared to do. I mean, one of the strategies that Shoprite has been using to make these kind of revenues or to be this successful is they have been deploying their stores in areas where some of the retailers, like your Pick and Pay, maybe Spar, they don't want to go. I mean, townships, villages, we've been seeing Shoprite penetrating the market there. I mean, this is something that I think is going to make them continue to be successful because let's face it, in the cities the competition is just too high. There is your Woolworths, there is like your Pick and Pay, there is like Checkers, there is like Shoprite. People have got quite a number of options to choose in terms of where they go and do their groceries. But in townships, I can tell you there is more of Shoprite than any other retailer, which that is one of the strategies that is making them to generate the kind of revenues they are generating. That is the strategy that is making them, or that is helping them in generating 10 billion rands every 15 days, which is something that is so amazing, so great. So I'm happy to see Shoprite going up this well. I mean, personally, onto Shoprite, I'm up 21%, meaning that the kind of money that I've put into Shoprite, I'm now sitting up over 21%, which I have no doubt that very soon I'll be seeing Shoprite or myself up 100% onto Shoprite, and that will result into my stock market portfolio or my stock market portfolio doing so well. So I'm happy, I'm excited, and I think chances are very high that we are going to see companies like Shoprite continue flourishing. I mean, I'm telling you about Shoprite continue doing well, but there are companies or retailers like Pick and Pay who are not doing as well as Shoprite. It is for that reason that they found themselves into situations that led into them introducing rights offer, which now they're going to use that money to pay back some of their debts and change how they do some of the things, right? I mean, Pick and Pay, they have changed sort of like their management, or they have changed quite a number of executive positions, which is something that I hope we start to see changes coming from Pick and Pay, and they also do and perform the same way we are seeing from Shoprite, right? I mean, in terms of the stores deployment, we have seen, or each and every way we continue seeing Shoprite deploying more than most of the retailers, which this, like I said, it is one of the stories that are making Shoprite to be more successful than the others. And it is with no doubt that unless the other companies or the other retailers implement the same strategies that Shoprite is implementing or similar, they won't catch up to the kind of revenues, to the kind of earnings that Shoprite will be generating in the future. I mean, annually Shoprite's total revenue is over 200 billion rands, which shows you once again that Shoprite, it is a company that is doing exceptionally well, and the chances are very high that we'll continue seeing them doing so well. So otherwise, with all that, I just thought I'd just give you this quick update as to where we stand with Shoprite, where I personally stand on Shoprite. This is a company that I don't think I will be loading anymore. Whatever I've put into Shoprite, I'll just leave it there, and as the share price rises, I'm going to continue reaping the good returns coming from this company. Shoprite also pays some dividends, and when that happens, I'm just going to start acquiring also some of the companies. Shoprite, it is, I think, my second largest holding on my ZAR portfolio, and like I said, I won't be loading more. What I would just be doing, I'll just be monitoring and remain long and strong onto Shoprite or holding my Shoprite shares, because I know as time unfolds, I'll be reaping the good returns coming from this company. Otherwise, that's all from me. I wish you nothing but the best in your own stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.